Hello, I'm Jeff Smith. I'm with PerfectCloud Product Management.
First, allow me to give a brief background of our enterprise solution that we know is going to increase business agility and save your business a lot of time and money. SmartSignin for Enterprises was conceived, designed, and built from day one with small and medium-sized businesses in mind. In order to remain agile and competitive, SMBs find themselves connecting to more and more internet and cloud-based applications and services. However, one of the primary problems facing these businesses is how to protect and manage all those new accounts and identities. It is with both this problem and security as our focal points that we at SmartSignin developed the enterprise solution you're about to see. Now let's get to the demo. This scenario will demonstrate an administrator role within SmartSignin. Note here that we allow all users to personalize verification images that serve to verify to the user that they are in fact connected to SmartSignin. In this next segment, I'll show you how you can quickly leverage your existing Active Directory setup or other identity stores to organize, provision, and grant your employees, partners, or customers access to web applications based on existing or newly defined groups and roles. We are now at the admin dashboard. To connect to your Active Directory, simply launch the connection wizard. Next, follow the wizard prompts to select an identity store. You may choose Active Directory, Google Apps, Salesforce, or any other identity store that you can reach through LDAP. SmartSignin is enabling more connections to identity stores and APIs all the time. After selecting Active Directory, you will be prompted to download the SmartSignin agent that will enable a secure connection. The agent can be installed on any system you wish and configured by you to securely connect through any port you may require. Here in the Manage Users tab, you can view the users and user groups that were just imported from Active Directory. Another nice feature is that you can synchronize actions you make within SmartSignin with Active Directory. You have the option to use SmartSignin as your primary identity store and benefit from a centralized identity and access management application that is easy to use. From the Manage Users tab, you can automate or micromanage provisioning, onboarding, and offboarding of your users. Our intuitive end-user desktop provides single sign-on access to the provisioned websites from any platform or device. SmartSignin is customizable to support your business's access control needs. In an enterprise managed scenario, you or your administrator can create a single point of access and control. You may choose to provision some or all web accounts and services through SmartSignin. Your employees, partners, and customers need not ever know the passwords to accounts that you manage and provision for them. They only need to remember their SmartSignin credentials. 1Password and crypt phrase will provide one-click access to all the data and tools they need. One important feature is that SmartSignin will allow you to provision your employees to many web apps and accounts without any pre-integration or collaboration. In addition, SmartSignin provides a large catalog of apps from which to choose to further simplify the process. When the user signs in, they will find all the tools they need to increase productivity at their fingertips. An alternative scenario for many small businesses, in which monitoring and compliance are not a concern, will allow you to choose for your employees to self-manage their identities and configure quick access to all web applications and accounts. You may also deploy SmartSignin for the enterprise using a combination of both the managed and self-provisioning methods I just described. On one hand, your admin can provision the web apps that you wish to monitor for productivity, compliance, or cost savings. For example, through SmartSignin, you will be able to view if you are paying for 40 Salesforce accounts when only 32 employees are using it. On the other hand, you can allow your employees and partners to self-manage access to accounts that do not contain any sensitive or private information. All these methods are secured for all users simply through a single set of credentials, namely a user ID, password, and the SmartSignin Smart Key passphrase, which we call the crypt phrase. You and your employees are always in full control of your data. Only you or your designated users can merge all the parts of the Smart Key to generate the decryption routine that allows them to access the accounts saved in SmartSignin. The final feature I'd like to highlight for you today is the consolidated audit functions and reporting. Among other data, these reports record and reveal the user ID, the web application's accounts or portal accessed, when, from where, and what device was used for that connection.
At PerfectCloud, our mission is to enable all customers to cost-effectively manage their web IDs, passwords, and privacy in the smartest, simplest, and most secure way while maintaining integrity and data security. The bottom line is, PerfectCloud will help your business enjoy the benefits of the cloud without leaving security behind. Thank you.